Yes, you go to this link and you just click on download.
Which one? Should I click second one?
Yeah, yes, you click on download. And no thanks, just start my download. No thanks, just click on start my download.
In the down, you'll be having no thanks, just start my download.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, it is already started
Exactly.
downloading. No need to worry anything. And it will take 2 minutes. Let us wait.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Recording in progress. Recording in progress. In progress.
So you have time, right? I mean, it's taking time.
Yeah, no
You have
problem.
time, right?
No problem. No problem. I can guide you. Don't worry.
Okay. I know in case, I mean, like, if
No, no. I will help you. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
It is almost done. Yeah, it is going to install and it is going to give the few options for us. And based on that, we have to take an action.
Okay.
And you guys are able to access my video, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, and please do subscribe. Okay, I'll be giving the more other
Yes, yes.
videos. Okay, the every day or the weekly twice I'll be releasing the other information videos.
Mhm.
And is there anything important like the other things also, I am going to do it. That is the reason. Okay, and click on custom.
Okay.
1 minute.
Mhm.
Okay, next. Okay,
Which one?
plus MySQL server plus. Yeah, MySQL server plus. Yeah, again plus again. Yeah, select it. Select. Yeah, click on green. Yeah, click on green button. Click on green button.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is done. Yeah, no, 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 don't do anything. Go to the application again. Workbench, MySQL workbench. Yeah, plus.
Okay.
Yeah, plus
Okay.
MySQL workbench. Yeah, select it.
Shall I
Select.
bring this here?
You are not selected. Yeah, green button.
I
Yeah,
have selected.
yeah,
Maybe it's taking 2 to 3 second
yeah.
delay.
Okay, okay, no problem. Go to the MySQL shell again. Plus.
Mhm.
Yeah, select it. Yeah,
Then
yeah. Then MySQL router.
okay. Shall I select this also?
Yeah, select and same follow. You follow it. Okay.
Okay.
MySQL connector. You check what are the any other things we need to. Okay, this much is enough, I guess. You go to the next. This
Okay, we
much
don't
is enough.
want anything, right?
Yeah, not
Okay.
required. Not required. Okay. You click on next. No, don't do anything. Click on next. No, click on next. Yeah, please. Yeah, execute. Yeah, it is going to executing it. Installing the
Okay.
MySQL server is getting installed now.
Yeah, it's installing.
Yeah, it will take few seconds. And after that, MySQL workbench is going to install.
Okay.
Go to that tab only. Nothing is here. Okay, you have to. Yeah, we have to wait for that. Open that only.
Okay.
Workbench. Yeah, please let it be. MySQL server has been installed now, and MySQL workbench is getting installed.
It's getting installed. Yeah.
Okay, so the I have already shown you other details, right? How to create the database and how to create the table, and that is the sample only. Okay, I'll be helping you doing for the many things here. Okay, only practical way. Okay. I have the assignment for you guys. I'll give you the assignment that to tomorrow. Okay, you can do that assignment. Okay.
Sure. Sure.
So anyone
So
will be sharing the screen and how he is executing now. Like this, you guys will be performing that assignment so that you'll be getting the answer.
sure. Yeah.
The
Anyone
don't
can,
worry. Yeah,
execute it.
day by day, your confidence will get increased, guys. Okay. Don't worry. At the starting level, you will be feeling like unknowing. Okay. Everyone in this world, everyone will be unknowing only at the starting level. Everyone will not be knowing everything. But we have to start practicing it day by day. It will come. It will come. Whatever it might be, it will come. You no need to worry about that. Just concentrate on what I will say, and you have to perform that. You need to practice on daily basis. Don't lose the hope. Okay.
Sure. Sure. Definitely.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll be giving you the notes and assignment also. I'll be giving you, and everything I'll be giving you. You just follow that.
Mhm.
I'll be doing the mock also, so that to make you guys more confident when you go for the interview.
Mhm.
Nowadays, you guys are aware about or not? Nowadays, the peoples are calling for the face-to-face interviews. Okay.
Mhm.
And
Mhm.
yesterday I have released the one job notification for the freshers, and that is the Yes Technology and other companies there. You please do check my YouTube channel. You will get to know that.
Okay. 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 Yeah, I'll check that.
Okay, and you will get the notification, and you can check that.
Sure.
Other interview videos also I am releasing for the helping purpose.
Okay. Yeah, sure. We will look
Yeah.
into it then.
Now MySQL shell has 56% completed. And let it do this work.
What and all tool be required? Only the SQL, or do we need to install anything?
As of now, only the SQL is required. I will let you know that when come to the Linux, right? I will let you
Okay.
know. I have the no need to install anything. In earlier batch, I was using the installation step for the Linux and all. So now I have only the plug and play. I have brought it. I will give that link. Just you need to practice there, and your job is done. No need to install anything for the Linux side also.
Website. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So we can use virtually. I mean, like we can take.
Yeah. Virtual only. You need to use virtual only.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Yeah. That's good.
Okay.
Yeah, everything is completed now.
Yeah. You just click on next.
Okay. Next, right?
Yeah. Next.
Anything
Yeah.
we need
Don't
to
do
do now?
anything. Don't do anything. No. Don't do anything.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Next.
Can I press next?
Yeah. Please. Yeah.
This one.
Next. Next.
Okay.
Yeah. Give the root. ROOT root. Please provide the password. Yeah. And here, if you want the any other than the root, you can use the add the user also. We can do, but later also we can add it. No problem. You click on the next. Not a problem. Anyhow, you are using local, right? You click on next. Click on next below. Yeah. Yeah. Next. Yes. Next. Yeah. Execute it. Click on execute. It will take 2-3 minutes. SQL server getting started.
Yeah. Shall I press finish?
Yeah, finish. You press finish. Okay, next.
Okay, next.
Yeah.
Okay. Done, right?
Yeah, finish.
Anything we need to write, all right?
Nothing you need to do anything.
Okay, finish,
Next.
right?
Next, yeah, finish. Okay, and don't do anything.
Okay, can I close it or
Don't
should I
do
wait?
anything. I said don't do anything.
Okay,
Okay, you just close this and go to the search. Wait a second. Your workbench has been. You minimize this. Yeah. Okay, and you maximize that one. Yeah, maximize it. Okay, click on here. This is the SQL connection we have created now. Localhost 3306. The by default port of the MySQL is 3306. Click on this root. It is going to open the MySQL workbench. Through the MySQL workbench, we are connecting to the
okay.
MySQL server. You give the root password. Save the password in a vault. Every time, no need to do anything. Save the password in a vault. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you can at the right side to adjust the screen. At the right side, you go. Right side. Dead end. Right side. Yeah. Yeah, you can adjust that. You can adjust that if you want the more visibility. Also, you can do that. Okay. And you go to the schema here.
Where?
Go to the schema. Yeah, below. Schemas is there, right? Schema left side.
Left side.
Yeah,
Okay.
schemas. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Select that. Yeah. Above refresh button is there, right? Refresh button. Refresh. Yeah. Above. Yeah. This is the refresh button. And you remaining things you just follow that recording video. Okay.